Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create Spring Boot project really easily. So first of all, go to any browser, then you need to search for Spring Boot, and here you can see spring.io. So we need to go to this link, and after that we'll go down and you will see this quick start your project Spring Initializer. So if you just click here, it will take you to this page, and from here you can really easily create your Spring project, Spring Boot project, and I'll also give this link in the description. So after coming here, choose your language Java. Here choose Marvin, and this will be the Spring Boot version. You can choose any version you want. I'll just keep it default, and here you can see group. So you can say here .com .example, or let's say here .fast project, just some random data. Let's say here artifact will be my project, and here you can see, so those names will be generated automatically. If you want, you can give different data over here, but those are not really necessary. So here you can choose char or whatever, it doesn't matter. So I'll choose char, and you can choose different version, Java version 24, 21 or 17. So I will just keep it default. But the important thing is you need to add some dependencies. So if you want, you can add dependencies later, but you need to have those four dependencies at least. So the first one is web, Spring Web. Then you need to add the dev tools. Here you can see Spring Boot dev tools. Then here we have H2, which is for database, and there is one more thing that is called JPA, Spring Data JPA. I would recommend you to choose those four. Then here you can see generate. So if you now click on it, it will generate your Spring Boot project. So I'm just going to click here, and a zip file will be downloaded. Here you can see. So let me just go to the zip file location, and let me just cut this from here, and let's just paste it over here, and I'm going to extract this. So just right click on the project or zip file, then click on extract, and I'll directly extract it to the local disk G. So I'll just give this and click on extract, and there you can see my project. Why my project? Because the folder name is my project, because here you can see my project. This is the project name. That's why. So let's just go inside, and here you can see this is the Spring Boot project structure. So let's open this using Visual Studio Code. So for it, at the top, I'm going to write over here CMD, then press enter. And here, if we just say code space dot and press enter, this project will open in Visual Studio Code. So let's just press enter, and there you go. And one more thing, that is, if you want to run Spring Boot project, you need to have a extension installed in your Visual Studio Code. So let me just go to the extension. Here you can see extensions. I will just click here, and here if we just search extension pack for Java. So here you can see extension pack for Java. So you need to install this. By default, it is not installed. So I have installed it by myself. And if something like this pop up, just now make it enable. So you need to have this installed. Installation is really simple. So I hope you'll be able to install this. So after this, what you need to do is that we can just close this. How can we run our project? So in order to run the project, here you will see this three dot icon or dot option. Just click here. Here you can see terminal. Then click on new terminal. So it will open a terminal like this in the project directory. Here you can see. So here we need to write a command. So here we need to give a dot, then backslash, then we need to say over here mvnw, then spring dash boot clone pra. So you need to write this and do not make any mistake over here. Then press enter. So this will first check the project and then run it. Okay, let me just make it bigger. And there you can see our project is running. So if you see this, it means our project is running And if you want to check this project in the browser, then what you need to do is that you need to go to your browser, then say over here localhost 8080, not 8000, 8080, then press enter. And there you can see a page where you can see white label error page. You will see this error because we didn't done anything for the project. So let me just run a simple hello or program over here. Here you can see source, then main, and here you can see Java, and inside Java we have my project application.java. So here in this my project we're going to create a file. So here you can see new file icon. I'll just click here and let's say here hello controller dot java. Press enter and this is created. So I can just close this now, and here I'm going to write some code. Okay, I have already written some code over here, so I'm just going to copy this and I will just use those code and paste it over here, and I will also keep this code in the comment section. Just check it out. And here you can see .com.example.demo. Okay, it is giving me an error. It will be actually okay. Here you can see package.com.myfastproject.myproject. I'll just copy this and paste it over here, and let's just save this. So let's just run our project again. Let me just open the terminal, and in order to run it, we need to give ./mvnw spring -boot clone run. So now press enter. And let me just show you one thing, that is here you can see our get mapping is /hello. So here you can see our project is running. So right now let me just copy this /hello and we'll go to our, so here we just need to put this in our URL. So we'll just go to our website, I mean the browser, and then so over here /hello, press enter. Here you can see hello spring boot, which is written over here. Here you can see hello spring boot. And if you want to see this in the main page, I mean directly in the 8080 port, you can do it as well. We just remove the hello from here. So if you now press enter, here you can see it says hello spring boot. So this is how you can easily create your Spring Boot project. I hope this was useful. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.